Good morning, students. I am going to start a topic, the sentences. But before that, we will start with the activity. See, here are three words: cricket, they, and play. They are not in a proper order, so it will not give us complete sense. When we will place them in a correct order, they play cricket. Now it gives a complete sense that वे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. वे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. It gives complete sense. So the sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Just like this sentence, they play cricket. वे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. For proper sentence, we should keep four things in our mind. First, it must be group of words, not only single word. Second, first letter will be capital. Third, it must end with full stop, interrogative, question mark or exclamation mark. Fourth, complete sense. It should give complete sense. One example is given here. He has 4 dolls. First is group of words. It has 4 words. Second, first letter is capital. Here H is capital. Third, it ends with a full stop. Fourth, it gives complete sense, means उसके पास 4 गुड़िया है. Next is types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, imperative sentences. First one is declarative sentences. We will also call it assertive sentences. For example, I have a marker. This is a chart. It states something about marker or the chart. So, declarative sentences are the sentences which states or says something about the subject. Second one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences when question is asked. For example, how are you? Here the question is, क्या आप कैसे हो? Interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. Third one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences shows joy, sorrow, happiness, and wonder, surprises, and like this, or it ends always with the exclamation mark. Next, fourth one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences always carries advice, command, order, or it also carries optative sentences. Optative sentences shows wishes and blessings. It ends with the full stop also or exclamation also. Optative sentences ends with exclamation marks. Example of imperative sentences: please give me a chocolate. Then, may God bless you. God always fulfill your all wishes. These are the examples of imperative. Now, for more explanation, we will do one activity. Arya, can you tell me 5 examples of declarative sentences?
First, he sings. Second, he is climbing.
Yeah.
Third, sky is blue. Fourth, my car is black. Fifth, dogs are cute.
Okay, good, very good. Now, Girija, can you tell interrogative sentences?
First, what is your name? Second, why are you crying?
Okay.
Third, which is your favorite color? Fourth, what are you doing? Fifth, how do we play cricket?
Very good. Now, exclamatory sentences. Sandesh, can you tell 5 examples of exclamatory sentences?
Yes. First, bravo, we have won the match. Second, Alice, my cat had died. Third,
Good.
hooray, we will have a party tonight. Fourth, brilliant, you are too good in maths.
Very good.
Fifth, wow, what a wonderful garden.
Very good. Now, imperative sentences. Arya?
First,
Yeah.
don't pluck the flower.
Okay.
Second, may God bless you.
Okay.
Third, sit down.
Now, I will tell you the use of may. May we can use for the interrogative sentences also, or for optative sentences which is included in imperative sentences. For example, may I go for washroom? Here, may is used for asking question. To ask question, may is used to ask question. So, may is this is the sentence of interrogative. And may God bless you. In this, blessing is there. So, it shows the imperative sentences. So, I hope it's clear to you about may. Now, I will give you one worksheet for your practice. Thank you.